I've started on the some more bench work proceeding from the area that was built. I moved along here and into the corner, then along through here, and now you can see where I've started my peninsula, which is going to jut out from the wall this way towards the door there. So, and you can see some of my material. This place is a mess, but it won't look like this when it's done. And I just wanted to get up close here and show you. This is, I'm using a 2x2 as kind of like the cleat that you'd normally see on the top of an L girder. And this is the center line mark that you see right there. And moving along, you can see where I've used the Sharpies to mark where my 1x3s are going to go. This way. And that's about it for now. Of course, these are 2x2s, lag screwed to the wall, and then lag screwed all the way up on this portion, but then you can see right here we have a different portion of the poured concrete block wall with the stud wall on it and drywall, so you can see how I've got that mounted. Those are 2x2 by 7/8 blocks that have a hole drilled through them to mount the vertical 2x2 to the wall. This 2x2 will have all four levels attached to it, except for, of course, upper staging level up here, as you can see back there. See some trains back there in the background, and upper staging level here. And the loop that goes around here, and around through here. And some of you have seen my tapes previously, and well, that's what we have so far. More stud wall, more vertical studs, 2x2 studs attached to the plywood wall over there, or particle board wall. And that's it for now.